Hey everyone, this is the demo of the account abstraction Snap. So first of all, I'm just going to install my Snap. Install. Once I've installed my Snap, now I can create Snap cleaning accounts. So right now, I'm on. Let's switch to Linea Curly, and now I'm going to create an account, name 4337 account. Send. If I refresh, I'll see that there's an account created. This is a smart contract wallet account with the signer, which is this guy. So if I click on this, I'll be able to go to the Linea Testnet and see that this address exists, but there is nothing on this address. This is just a normal address. It's not a contract. It's nothing, just address. Because creating an account is basically just getting the address from the entry point, not actually deploying it. But when I actually do the first transaction, that's when I will actually the account gets deployed. So I have a token available here. And what I'm going to do is I created this using ThirdWeb, and I'm just going to transfer some tokens to the wallet that I just created. Okay, so the transaction went through. If we refresh, you can see we have got 100 LAA tokens. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on transfer tokens. I'm going to also open my console because that's where I will get the um, user operation transaction hash. So this is not a transaction hash that I can view on the Linea scan. Unfortunately, there is Jiffy scan does not support um, user operations here. So we can see that now it's 90. Um, and we can also see that the contract tab has opened up. This basically means that now there is an account deployed at this address. Fresh, connect my wallet. And now let's switch to the base chain because this snap also supports base Goerli testnet. So I'm just going to create another account with the same name. I can create that because I've deleted the previous account. Just going to create an account. Now refresh. Now I got a new account. This is on the page. And if I click here, I will go to the pay scan and I can see again no balance, no contract code, etc. So this is basically just an address, nothing more right now. Now what I've done is I also have a UI here to basically execute any transaction using account abstraction. And I have an NFT on base testnet. All I have to do now is pass the call data so that I can mint that NFT. So I'm just going to use cast quickly. And here I have the data. Actually, we'll also need the mint. So let's copy this, paste, and then this. Paste. Now, when I click on send, I will be basically minting an NFT on base Goerli testnet using user operation and to the address which I just created. So let's wait here for the user operation hash. And here it is. Now I can take this user operation hash and go to Jiffy scan because Jiffy scan actually supports base. So I will be able to see the details of the user operation. And now we can basically see that I just minted token number 2, which was a AA NFT, and the sender was this address. So if we go back, we can see it's the same address here. And if we go to yeah, so one thing I haven't have been facing problems is that the Snaps accounts are not being visible here. They sometimes are visible here, sometimes they're not. I don't know how it works yet, but that's pretty much it. There's one more thing. Let's go to notifications, and you also get notifications of the user operations being sent. So have fun and enjoy.